Hi there! Today I'm going to quickly explain how to fill in shapes in 2D animation in Blender, something that I struggled with up until recently. Let's get to it. First, open up Blender. I'm using the 2.9 version, which just came out recently. Let's go to 2D animation, and as we can see here on our toolbox on the left, let's say we want to draw a circle. We press enter to accept its configuration. Now intuitively you'd think that you'd want to just click on the fill tool, you'd come up here, maybe change this red into a green, and that it would just be as simple as clicking in the shape. And then you find out that it's not filling it, or maybe it is, and maybe if you click on it a million times it'll eventually fill it. Well, today I'm going to show you how to properly fill shapes. First, let's go over here to the right and click on Material Properties. Once we're here, we're going to want to add a new material. So let's click New. On this new material, we'll call it New Color. Now that we've added this new material, we're going to want to click the Fill checkbox. And let's say we want to make this blue. Now that we have our new color, we see that it's blue. We still have the fill tool selected, and there we have it. The top color is the circumference or the perimeter of what we're doing, and the bottom is the fill color. So let's say we want to add another circle. Press enter, and it's already filled in blue. But let's say you made the shape, it's the same shape or the same color as the previous material, but you want to change it. So just add a new material, call this color 2, fill, and let's say you want to make it yellow. Now that you have it selected yellow, click back on the fill, and there you go. You can change the colors based on material you've selected. So there you have it, quick and simple, and I hope it helped. Hey, while you're here, like, comment, and subscribe. It's free, it takes 2 seconds, and it helps me keep making content to share. Plus, if you ever get sick of me, you can just as easily unsubscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you soon!